Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 28x and negative 28x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by negative 7. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by negative 4. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 17y, and the right sides combine to 85. Divide both sides by 17. That leaves y equals 5. Use y equals 5 in the first original equation. Replace y with 5. The remaining x term equals negative 8. Divide both sides by negative 4. X equals 2. The solution is x equals 2 and y equals 5. It makes both original equations true.